Hi everyone. We are embarking on our mini research number 2. And as you know, as we do things, we get better at them. So we've really practiced in our mini research 1 from our last module. So we're going to apply the same principles as we move forward with our mini research 2. You will see that the rubric is basically the same. And if you want to go back to the previous module and look at that video that did the overview, that would be perfectly fine. Take a look at the feedback that you've received on your mini research number 1. And I do want to encourage you, if you have not already done so, to reach out to our experts in the library. Paul Worrell is very helpful to help you with searches, and I know that time is of the essence, especially right now. So I would encourage you to reach out to him if you have a particular topic that you want to dive into, and he will help you to do that very refined search to really save you time so that you get those very valuable articles the first time around. Sometimes when we do a search, we get massive numbers of articles and we have to sift through those. So if we can really refine our searches to be very defined, we can really target in on whatever our topic of research may be, whether it would be a certain area of evidence-based practice, or if we're looking at something as far as subject matter. So really focus on those resources that you have and use those resources. That's all part of the leadership journey, as well as knowing where the resources are and what resources to use. So again, if you have any questions about doing your mini research number 2, let me know, but do refer back to our previous module if you want to kind of refresh and watch that video overview of the mini research number 1. It's basically the same. This time around, we're practicing and refining those skills to kind of solidify those skills as you move forward, because you will be applying these same types of skills as you move forward in the program. So I want you to feel very strong about these skills as you move forward. Let me know if you need anything. Take care now. Bye-bye.